Hey everyone, so I'm going to be installing this wig by Celie hair, and look at how natural this hairline looks. This is her 5x5 14-inch unit, and we're going to just basically use some freeze spray. It's not the got to be glued one, it's just a different brand that I'm using. And because this is a 5x5, this is going to go by super quickly. I usually take a lot longer for my edges around my sideburns, but we don't have to do that luckily for this video. I also sewed in an elastic band, so that made everything kind of stay or adhere to my head a lot better than usual. So this was a really fast install. All right, hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. Honestly, I'm not having the best day today and there's a lot of changes happening. But anyways, I'm back with a new hair video. This is a, I think it's like a 5x5 lace unit from Celie hair. I'm gonna also get into the specs of this, of course, but I've already kind of done like the install for you guys at the beginning of this video, and I will say the lace is like super HD and transparent. This is how it's looking. I'm telling you, like the quality of this lace is really, really good. I didn't even have to bleach the knots on this unit. It already came just, you know, like as it is. The lace is definitely very high quality. I think it's also like super thin. It's very durable, and you don't have to have like all of the lace kind of hitting each or kind of going from ear to ear. You really don't need that for this unit. I also went in and I sewed it in an elastic band. And what I like about this wig is that there isn't like a hard wiring throughout the sideburn area to where like you can't maneuver it around your head, like you can't twist it. With this, you can kind of like twist the part however you want. And I really also like how this hair is layered. So if you look from the side, it naturally kind of has like a body wave look. I've wet this hair so many times since I've had it. 60s type of vibe going on. I could have curled it more, but I like this like wave. I actually did curl the front with my flat iron, and it came out like this, waves kind of going on here. It's really, really pretty. I really do like this unit. There's a lot that you can do with it. Even in like a half up, half down too, I think it would be really, really cute. But so far, the lace goes back, I think, 4 inches. All I did was use a hot comb on this. Yeah, to install, I just used my wig spray and all that stuff. So it was super easy, and because the lace is only 5x5, there's not a lot of space for you to cover as far as having to glue it down. And I didn't have to use really much of anything else to make sure everything looks seamless and laid. Like the lace does blend in really, really well with your scalp, and I think it's just because it's a really high quality lace. Let's go ahead and get into the specs though of this unit. Okay, yeah, so this is their 5x5 new body wave wig. This is 14 inches, so this is kind of where it's hitting. It's so, like, the length is just so cute. Like, I think it's perfect. And again, they layered this extremely well, so it's not super thick at the bottom, but it still has a lot of hair to it. And it's very like fluffy and bouncy without even trying. Like, such a great job. It's been a while since I've gotten a wig that's pre-layered and lays just right on my head without me having to go in and put in more layers or anything. Like, this is perfect. So for the 14-inch 5x5 wig, it's gonna be $138.90, and they also take Afterpay, and it would be 4 interest-free payments of $34.72, which is extremely cheap. I love this. The density is 180%, and the lace type is a Swiss HD lace that's soft and durable, so it's not gonna rip easily, even though it's more on the thinner side. I'm super excited to take, honestly, some intro shots for this. Again, I sewed in an elastic band here. The lace, it looks like that. Maybe I did bleach the knots, I don't remember. But when you pull it back, look how natural that looks. That's the lace. So I think that's all that I have to say. I would say that this wig is extremely affordable, especially if you're looking for something, you know, I guess easy to wear for the summertime. It's coming up, spring is already here. I think it's a great springtime wig. Extremely soft. There is absolutely no shedding for this wig either. Like, I haven't had any issues with that. This hair is really, really soft, very easy to manage. It's not like too silky, like it has some texture to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this wig directly down below for y'all to go ahead and check it out. Thank you to Celie here for sending me this. Oh, before I go, this is the packaging that it comes in, and Celie Hair also sent me some wig caps. They sent me wig guard, I think, just to kind of keep the wig in place. And they also sent me a scarf and lashes that say Celie Hair on it, hairpin. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Hope you guys like it. I will talk to you in the next one, and I promise I'll be back with regular videos. I know I keep saying that, but it is coming. Like, again, just let me move into this house first so I can just get it together, because it's a lot going on. So yeah, all right, bye guys.